nibashomesebwa abakugu kandi baheba omugisha kwekwatira omu bari kwega.
Agacencwire kireki omubiki wa Masioro PDM Sako Murshema ari nyuma y'emtehimbwa habo bushomankuzi.
Lete eshatu, lete za password, sana leta sana zi.
Abatura abamato gabo gazibirwo korera harakazinga cyano omurkasese nibetomboitira Uganda Wildlife Authority.
Imwe mukatanga mwino bwato bwa faith. Hatu mwine za kainabi. Habwe kintu mukora selective implementation.
Minister w'enshonga zo munda y'ihanga atongo izo kwombeka Crime Data Analysis Center mu Kampala.
I don't want you to improve externally, impress me, when internally things are not going correctly.
Emeto y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences turyaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate abeji nibashomesebwa abakugu kandi baheba omugisha kwekwatira omu bari kwega.
Mbabazi Charity na Lois Gava gana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire abatura abarukurenga igana mshanjo murko gwa Masioro mgomboro ya Canjenyi baherize gukora statement ya polisi heyamuzira barkwetombwitira ombicu wabo Juliet Katrabe abo kubiha ibitugangwa abahe sente za Parish Development Model abantu bagirangu abire nabi ya himtoro 30 kubaha miliyoni emwe ya Parish Development Model.
Aitugerire kukira ha polisi ya muzira omurcanjenyi tushangira abatura bijwira ha polisi kandi bagirangu nibabashabe emitwaro eri hagati ya 20 na 30 okuhebwa sente za Parish Development Model konka nazo zihendera batazitungire.
Eho obihire emitwaro abirgarga yiguru. Mwena bakabiyo zingai
asatu nena nenkumitano ezibanyiru ekonka nkanzu muhombi bichweka tindazu muhira mukono gumwe kandi nyonka nkanzu mwehere sente zanje
bakanya emitwara shete yangiruho kwanza kabanzizo barumwe akanya emitwari 12 kunkata rukunsobore kizikuza gukora kajya tuyosasure sente nyobibe ninye byasigara isente nazo kwata nazo muhereze emitwari 12 zobere rumwe kubwanje usesere nka hati yangira tubucere ogaruko wanje rero nkusobora kubiragenda kunakireyo yajya sente zira ntuzistate uronde emitwari 5 gintereze nte emitwari 5 naza kugironda nagarukomuka isente nazo ronde emitwari 5 yanyohoreza munyanya
emtara shatune birashindika cyane
nuwazkwire
katsabe Juliet
munizaje
kagira ngo neze kuza kutereka nsemera mejo kandi tabatarashomera bakikuru nyine myaka nkaga ngo sente zitu 20 sente ntekwa kutamwe zindi akamutandikana kanyaho emitware 2 ya form yanya emitware 2 yo kwiza form yanya emitware 15 yajateze nezo kutomwani mweni nakutorana mbarazi kwata ni ora kwati
ashatene 5 nkabanza nazo mu group 2023
bamuhazinga
na yanya emitware 10 ati kuna herze na tamamwe nargam 2024 niza nagarkam yagira terete emitware 10 nkutomu group emitware 10 ejo naji muhereza
okumanya ngo Juliet Katushabe abira serious okuba umworo obire no banza wacishashurire emitwari 10 atyo abona kutandika process nayo abire nagishabira hagati y'emitwaro 25 na 30
ngunizati
Katushabe kabanza yanyaho watu grupo yo ijize atumuzize grupo yo goro yantema he 10 yagitwara kunabire ndiaho ya yeshara twayemera umwaka gwe 2023 twayemera kuyagarukire yantera yaja tu groupe konokire yijane mitwari 10 na tayikumi agataho yakumiza muyaga kayayemera mwakantu yijanja tirete za form emitware 2 nagarkayo yaja tirete mitwaro 8 na hwayonto ongese ndegazibona emitwaro 5 12
2023 mbweya jangu ntandike group ntereze emitwaro 10 emitwaro 10 nayirukanga nagiho mu kaboxi najumwe kwasiza katisabi hata aho byaraza nchumbuza kandi kanohurati narugaba tatu noyenda cye kindi
32 kakaga na 5 ngatanisira atpapa afom umane chweka yangumana tugambira mu yitoba abatakushoma kagira retezi fotai muruguma kaja tereti ikikumi nabantu bahereza rete eshatu rete za password sanazi
abaturahi n'ebintu bibiri ebashabere president ahashongeje
nyo wahabanje ni nyanda government ensasure sente zanja bwo kuba kunabire ndi ha radio na hurra Museveni president wa Uganda natugambira ngo atihire sente zo kutambira ubworo ahabwe ncyo wentungire cweka akabanza ke akatware zanje
akabanza yanyu 8 necweka yiza yanyu 15 yiza yanyu emitwaro 3 ngushana neza gundi ezaba abakachiko ezaba board yagarka yanyu umutwaro ngusana no wa agriculture naftera stamp yagarka yanyu umutwaro ngushana neza password
tubasa kujaga zo kubasa kutwiho mu bworo konka mweno abenyuma baturetire kizubu batugarabu nkenke abo kubanyoye cyo kindi yo ningambira government ninjera ngo mbweni yo koroyi no bushobozi ko kwatsintiye sente omukome final
gasha kwa Mike atwachiri
ko atwachire abatwire binamato agarukutwara abarambuzi ahanyanje yakazinga cano nibetombwitira ekitongore cha Uganda Wildlife Authority bwanyuma yo kwemereza amato gabi 10 gatagaruka kukora amataga gatwire ngakora gatinerusa ningashi license kandi nico kirujirireho okugemereza Gilbert Muhanguzi ainebirukiraho
Omurukiko orubeera mwaro gwa Katunguru omugombore yale katwe district ya Kasese abatura borekero kwetumbeita bagumsengwe uwa ekozire kigendereire okubeinaza bataino kubararebere amakagabo
bareke kubona bonesa abantu akwa these are innocent people muso passport you go and carry but on Kazinga chan I wish we no copy transport mujire go and do transport on Kazinga channel hati yahika papa kana mkumbuka gwa hati mabeiba transport ministry is not part of Uganda.
Bashir Hanji umugambiro cy'ikitongore cya Uganda Wildlife Authority uwa na jango tubabazibire kurekana benda kumanya ibibarukorera harakazinga cano
harabantu abutuzigara uko samato gabo konka ejikazinga cano tugambaho iriyo mpaka kandi nite tukujunanzibwa abintu byo nibikorompa nawe cyo twine kumanya noha oiniriato eriyakoza achanejo
omato mukagago Uganda Wildlife Authority einemo mukono okagamato mukagago basaro tigarga community members nagaba bakamabago n'abarugira hero ya Katunguru icyo nk'abantu bakatunguru tukuzibira abantu kwica gukora nitwa konka bakijo mu ngero ngiye yo kwesa abana abaha ben batekamo investment yabo so nibenda itobaha tutakakora bo babe nubo bakora
twatusaba abo bakugira ngo bo bakayikizangana n'ebyapa bakora concessions babatwiyemu kubanga nabasakusanga bo bajya kutuletera n'urutabo babatwiyemu babatware babahe imyanya zabo mpaka ezo kudokinga then itwa matoga batwe procedures muiza office mukoreke ka community then operating tutere Museveni akaruru tudiye ni mwemere
abamato gabo gazibirokora nibashabwa okuratira amatembezo batunje license nuko amato gabo gayituruzwe okugaruka mu kutambuza abarambuzi
abine license twayanga bazigire konka okuza okuvugeri yato mukazinga cano mazima binakubaza bayanditsa nitwe so abarayanje tubakuza kuvugira tuzakubikiriza
imwe mukatandika mwino bwato bwa fiber hatu mwine za kainabi habwe kintu mukora selective implementation. This is a liberalized country. Liberalized country tuli mu competition ya business hati ngunyowe ikintu chukora konki babali bachukora
omurukiko rumwe Medrin Nabika orukujunanizibwa n'enshonga za license omu ministry y'ebyobujubi nashobora amato agayikirizibwa okukorera aha kazinga cano
wonka kuyikirizibwa kuza amizi oyine kuba oyine ebi
You must be licensed.
oyine kuba oyine license
gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguza Markasisi
Kabare Gilbert Minister w'enshonga z'omunda retired General Kahindo Tafire atongwize okombeka Crime Data Analysis Center oguha yakirwa orukura polisi omwihanga Abbas byakagaba n'abapolisi abandi hamwe na mahe
obwe barukutongoza okwombeka Crime Analysis Center orukuzombegera by'orukurra bambeka ba polisi kyerimo biyata nagira ngu Crime Data Analysis Center egi neija kuyamba kurwanisa emishango ya za social media obushuma n'okutambuza sente omu miringo etashikire.
The CID fraternity, sir, is grateful for this support and commitment to this initiative. Honorable Minister, sir, we believe with the Crime Data Analysis Center, we will have profound impact on our community, enabling us as a force to enhance public safety through data-driven decision-making.
Again, we are here to launch the Crime Data Analysis Center that is going to empower our officers to do their duty as we perform our mandate of prevention of crime and investigation.
Biyata nagira ngu nikiza kuyamba kurwanisa obuhenda biragiro obwagumeze ngu nikiza kuhwera abarukukora ebiragiro bakwatanisa nabo ebyokwerinda.
It will help us to foster greater collaboration and coordination among law enforcement and other stakeholders. It will also provide insights and recommendations to policymakers and lawmakers as a whole.
We did bring up our request of helping us to start a process of digitalization, but we couldn't move forward with digitalization without the supporting infrastructure. So as my able deputy Chelimo told you, this journey is going to help to serve the people of Uganda for very many generations to come.
Arokurra ba engineer ba police James Apola nagira ngu baza kwombeka ekyombeko kya kanyini 12 ekyo barukuhamya ngu nkiza kwombekerwa ha mutindo murungi. Arokurra bambega ba polisi yagira ngu bariyo nibongerayo bambega ba polisi okwongera kushoma mu mahanga gaheru nukwe batunje obukugu burukumara okugira akaruru ke-2026 akihorere.
Refresher mindset. So we are going to take them and then quarry a bit, run a bit, then we can now bring them back. Or we may even change some, because Wangine they have become part of the community again. So we are, Afanda IGP has been complaints wananchi here and there. So we have to work on the mindset.
Retired General Kahindo Tafire nagira ngu ari no kwesima habwo kugira ngo bambega ba polisi bagenzere n'abacyendezo kurya nguzi nuho yaturire ngo nayenda kwihaba polisi omu civil service basigare no gwabo ogukuma abantu n'ebintu byabo.
I don't want you to improve externally to impress me when internally things are not going correctly. But from the little I hear, kidogo kidogo mnaendelea. Kidogo, you are, I can now say I'm slightly proud of the CID.
Abashabire kureba ngo bayongera kukora tereberagira omu bushikire bwabyo nuko kubashaba obutita abantu bitu bareke kwotechwe manja.
So I thought Byakagaba and his deputy could put in a bit of fighting spirit. Martin Okoth Ochola was a civil servant. Civil servant par excellence. He didn't want to annoy anybody. He didn't want to.
Abapolisi abarukuma hansharo za Uganda n'amahanga gandi nabo bashabirwa kureba ngo bakora uburinganiza no kurinda obusingi. Gasha kwa Sulaiman Mutebi.
Very Sulaiman Mutebi, Homer Kampala. abebembeza ba Rwampara batungiza umurimo gwo gukora enguuto ibiri muri Rugando hamwe na Kinoni Town Council. Enguuto ezi zigenderera kwera abatura okutambuza eby'omushoboro yabo okuzombutare.
Abebembezi ba Rwampara babandiza okutongoza oruguuto rwa Bishop Tibesigwa orukuruga Rugando rukaraba mu Kabare kuzo mu Nkiri bashabire ba engineer okukora omurimo murungi.
Azafutandika emirimo y'emuvumenti drainage yaitu agamba mwareba mu Calverts niza kukorwa hariya two nitwenda kariya katinda kasisikire engineer iziyo message bwen akayifayana na kuri ruguru murengo byakorwa je
byije bya ka district ogwite no kureba ngo byagaburwa je no kureba ngo byagaburwa je inguto shebe kwandiza nuruzaho ishore kushema kwandiza nuruzaho umuhanisha rwani guzaho amiza gishaka kwani gazaho
oruguuto oru rwine oburingwa bwa kilometers 8 n'akatonyezo kamwe kandi ruza kumaraho miliyoni 7 omu sente za Uganda.
Akaturanga biza kutere ibintu byanyu kubisisha akatu umuntu tugezeho kugera ki nguto hangusiye mu yezi nguto z'umuyine nangwa no ruteta ndiyo tujyangu tuteka mumara muyona kongoriza hatwarayiza hahangwire hatayiza tuteka muki nanga elements ezikubazagira ati zasigaje
sente ezi tuzina account kino kugira ngo nibanje ekikuru no kubashaba mutwani tukoro ruguturu ko kubagamba mu monitoring kureba umurimo gwako.
Oruguuto rundo rutongozibwe no rwa Kinoni kuja Kyamugasha omuri Kitunguru ward kandi rwine oburingwa bwa kilometers 6 kandi oru niruza kumaraho miliyoni 40.
Sente ezi nizirwa mu government tuzirobinje twenda kushima government abo kubasa kutereza sente ga government kusereza abanyarwampara kuja kwigura imihanda yitweje
twatunga ngudo twaza kugamira munonga abantu baha honorable babere nibaguza bitoke byabo abo bugari kandi bari kwahereza obusente buke hati akatare kanyu kaza kuba kari open.
Uruguuto rutwiro mu myaka 8 rutakushara konka abantu bashemerwa aho uruguuto ko baza kurushara kandi batushoboraje sente zibartiye miliyoni 5
mbwene kuba tukoro uruguuto mazima netu tukaganya ko mutubona ka sente ko kushomesa abana bicu ahabo kuba rubero rutabonire nakaki.
Enguuto ezi zikozirwa hanshako ya Transitional Development Fund gashakwa Aiden Bataringanya.
Wabere Aiden Bataringanya reka tumereho ntugaruka n'amakuru agarukurata.
Nyabala omuntu orukundeba ninko habuze bwo kugira ngo yetandikiraho business yawe eyakasente kachako kubasa kandi rero ngo business yo bano kugitandika girondere umwanya murungi ogwo kureba ngo no kuba no utunga ba customer kandi wabone business yawe nyabala bo wagitandikire gigirira mu mce murungi kandi rero ngo sales zawe ninge byo buguzi byawe na bitamburo mu misho kandi rero ngo business yawe wajinywanira na munonga ahaba supply yabo kubasa kwebintu na munonga ahari technology yego business yawe eriyo mu mutindo go kugira ngo umuntu twakora nagenda nabasa kugirondera asumu ninga ha murembe a website abase kugifuna kugira ngo utunga abashubuzi abari hihe abakwende abakwerire kandi ugaruko tunge n'abashubuza bo kubasa kwagira abarahari na business yawe ejo aheri.
Cyo kubanza byo nawandi tangaroni wene kubanza wagira need ecyo kukosa sente ezo waba kutunga then ogira mind yo kuza omu institution yone yo kwenda oya mu sente omuntu wena abinja batungukire kugira ngo bageza roni wajya roni ukagikosa kurungi omubwiye bwabo roni yawe ne kugira umugasho bazo gira intasya otakariye roni omanye nkora tunge loan age obwe buza kwika oshashuri.
Inganzi y'ehanga ayigwira amarwariro bishatu 98 aga health center ya Kashatu agombekiwe okwetorora ihanga.
We don't want sick people, we want a health population.
emyetero kurenga muri Ghana bahebwe bukwato okubahwera umuhinji no burisi
tubaha certificates kandi twagabahereza seed capital nashi booster package yo kongera mu duka zabo.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Shoes are my target. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. I'm in a plantation, but on a global mission. Internet ambition, full condition. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. All cash is gone. Inyenda karoni, nigamaka phone, money in the zone. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. We are good.
turi hamwe niwe na MTN ebigendererwa byitu tubyine kizibira.
We are what? Unstoppable.
Ejini biti dokuro busas mukasheshi nikukumasaji ngomuchiro chuna
werare ko mwerere mfarati gw'umutendo kandi nuguhangara umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rukwen resform insiyebero toberunji
Echiro chikurechi yetungire Altar Wine ya St. Peters. St. Peters Altar Wine ekozirwe mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisiwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peters Altar Wine neyo mutindo murungi kandi ekozirwe ahabwawe nanye. St. Peters Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gono mu ihanga ryona. Okumanya berukiraho tera note mshange ibiri mukaga note ina itano. Narishi note mshange ibiri mukaga mushanju itano ina emwe.
Fins Medical University yonka omubyo kutendeka by'obushaho byonka omuri East Africa neyeto kushaba ahabwa intake ya July na August omashomaga Bachelors of Medicine and Bachelors of Surgery, Bachelors in Pharmacy, Bachelors Nursing, Bachelors in Midwifery, Bachelors in Medical Education or Tutorship, Bachelors in Laboratory Technology. Naza program is a diploma ezirimu Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Weekend Program, Nursing Weekend, Midwifery Weekend, Medical Education, hamwena neza certificate ezirimu Nursing and Midwifery, Pharmacy hamwena nezindi nyenje. Tushirire ahitajirite rukuru omuri fotopoto ningashi oteresimu noti mushanju munana mushanju chinana nemwe ashatu n'itano nshanju n'itano narishi tutayire ahakibanja chitu www.fmu.ac.ug. Fins Medical University, saving lives our passion.
Ayi bene nze musajja wo Stuart Kalisa, director Mpenkoni Drink, ngamviride mu Bende district nkwagaliza amazaalibwa g'emyaka 7 amalungi. Nga bwe tujaguza nga tusanyuka olw'amazaalibwa ga Ssaabasajja Kabaka. Beera n'ekyokunywa kyaffe ekya Mpenkoni Drink ng'eri mu kacupa akalungi akaliko ekifaananyi ky'ente nga ente y'amayembe amawanvu. Ate tulina ne sabuni yaffe eya Mpenkoni Star Soap nga naye eriko ekifaananyi ky'ente y'amayembe amawanvu. Kye twekakasa gwe mutindo ate tuli mu ggwanga lyonna wangaala Ssaabasajja Kabaka.
Mpenkoni.
Mpenkoni.
Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukhereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na cyamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoke echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amachemerwa minji ntabarusi abo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarya na 5 okora chai chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu note mushanje ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga note mushanje ina itano ninga note mushanje ina not rukumi
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management public administration guidance and counseling computer science and English IT records management accounting and finance business management journalism tourism building construction electrical installation mechanics plumbing hamwe na gandi minji amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB DIT hamwe na Makerere University Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho tera enamba zesimu 0 mwenda mukaga mwenda 0
kandi gabeji kweyizire yatuyambe kintu cy'amanu munonga yatuhereza za piki hata ituyo ntuvuga tukurebera family zitu yagaka yatuhereza esente tuziyamu tuzuguza akwa nkito ba boda boda tukiyatwiguza mugabo gwitu nteka esente zitu mina iro tuzuguza ki tuguza ba memba mwito ntusima kujangu ekatuyamba kwizo muri kagaramomo abantu mwena tubashaba kwiza mukatwagira mukejo iningo boda boda yitweji tukafune ntunguka
igarabu wejo tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe shanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningo matajigitaga wejo na kanunka branches omuri wejo district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanje munana mukaga not 13 not 2
kayo mukahumuro henganzi hangaro bina nabanja hombutongora igwireho amarwariro bishatu 98 kandi agombekirwa harengo rwa health center ya Kashatu okwetorora ihanga Uganda omukoro gwo kwiguraho amarwaraga gukorirwa mu district ya Chankwanzi
Inganzi hanga Rubina Nabanja na Minister w'Byamagara Dr. Jane Ruthacheng hamwe na Minister w'Ibyanga Raphael Majesi bayigwira mbutongore amarwaraga Health Center 3 agombekirwa kwetorora ihanga ryona umukorogo gaigura kukoreirwe ahirwara rya Chikoma Health Center 3 district ya Chankwanzi
commission for all behalf of the local governments, in the presence of the Right Honorable Prime Minister, I take the opportunity to receive the 398 health center 3s which have been handed over. And And I'm doing it here in Chankwanzi, the home of the revolution.
Wow. I believe you know that is part of your role. Baje babasomese yo endye nungi, babasomese kyonywa amazzi amafumbe. We don't want sick people. We want a healthy population. Ekyo tubasaba abasawo mu kikole.
We Minister w'ebyamagara Dr. Jenrith Acheng najango bwahati amarwaro gari abushekanshaju na mukaga aricukuma mu ihanga ryona obu barikuburayo amagombora make agataine marwaro.
What the NRM government has done today is a very big initiative. Especially in strengthening primary health care, in addressing the areas of maternal-child health, in ensuring that our facilities are well equipped. You saw with your own eyes the equipment that are there, but also in ensuring that we have health workforce available.
I have a few asks for the community. The utilization of this facility is still low. There have been 35 deliveries since it was opened. 20 of them occurred in the month of March, which means they are improving. For a health center free, we normally expect a minimum of about 70 deliveries. So the facility is still being underutilized.
Rogers Ayiku ojecheire banka yensiona eyateire bilioni rushanju nkaga okushajiko kwombeka amarwaraga asimire gavumenti ya Uganda bokushonjera ehururu eyokutongora ebyamagara.
Many times we think the health sector has so many problems. But I want to report to the people here that we did an analysis at the regional level. We actually found that Uganda is progressing comparably better than many of the regional peers.
Tetwebaza ate mu myaka gino tufunye maternity centers nya mu Kyankwanzi yokka. Ku mulirwano gwe wali Kisala bazimba.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Wagaba Katoto. Abebembezi b'ishomero rya St Maria Theresa Primary School muri Rushoroza boyereko kwatwaho abokuteganisibwaho mbuhereza ahabwembera eyishomero rero ishomero ri nirishomesa abatine twera kandi muri aba harimo n'abarimo.
St Maria Theresa erukushangwa mu Rushoroza Southern Division no muri Kabare Municipality n'ishomero erukushomesa abana bino burema hambiri yabo kandi amakuru gembereye rumu gamanyirwe obwaba Caritas Uganda babire barutayayire.
Acknowledge our dedicated teachers and fellow learners, the learners who study with those children with special needs, who foster an environment of acceptance and support.
Hearing aids are very expensive, like one pair is close to 7 million, which the school cannot provide. And another challenge also, we have children who need plastic limbs, and those plastic limbs are very expensive. We tried to do some surgery for some children, but of course we could not access the plastic limbs because they are very expensive.
Ishomereri ryena beji rushanju 16 kandi abejigana 37 nibo barikwetaga obuhezi bw'amani kubabonere bukwato omukushoma kwabo.
Rituyambireho munonga na dara omukumulisa riratwegesa baratwegesa okutubalisa okutubajahaka n'obumwe nangwa no kumutorokaza kumugaburira cyo cyonka kirakigumire kandi kiretagamwa babishomire.
On behalf of all children with disabilities at St. Maria Theresa Primary School, I would like to thank God for the gift of life rendered to us. I am grateful to welcome the Director Caritas Uganda and staff to our school.
Reverend Father Vincent Byarhanga orkwebembera Caritas mu Kabare ayorekera amakuru go rutayo rwabo ahishomereri.
As we have come with 5 boxes of soap, isabundi yokunanga. Box butano. We have brought skin jelly, 7 dozens. We have brought 2 bags of sugar. Those bags of 25 kilograms, we have brought 2 of them, plus 2 boxes of sugar.
Omugandi abeegi bashabirwe kwehara emicwe mibi na munonga kurwana ekyakubasa kubaremesa okuhendera emishomo yaabo. Bigambirwa hari Busebo Secondary School aha mukoro gw'okusiima abeegi abakozere kurungi omu bibuuzo bya siniya ya 4 n'eya 6 aha b'omwaka 2024.
Let us observe discipline in school, discipline on the way going home, discipline at home, this wherever you are, please be disciplined student.
Aba bagizireho kuyonja emyanya eyetooriire ishomero.
Went to the other town, the other training center, and the other one, we cleaned the streets. Something that has been missing, I think, around. The community appreciated.
You have seen young talents, if they would be polished, they can produce good cultural scenes and heritage would be maintained, but we lack instruments.
Gashakwa Job Namanya na Anita.
Mwebare abashatsi baitu bamakuru omuhabuzi wa President Mary Karoro Krutu ashabira amashomero umuri Bushenyi okwejunisa ntambiko Craft Center okushomesa abejo mu mashomero abiri omu curriculum mensia agambire ebi obuchizo ba girls babire batayayira omwanya ogu omuri Bushenyi.
Okutaya kwa Chizoba Girls ahari ntambiko Craft Center mu Bushenyi no kwija wanyuma ya government okuhindura emishomero y'abeegi omu mashomero akuchurkwetagisa abeegi okushoma barukora ebibashomesiibwe
kugira ngo babiratinge na rero tubegese biri mu new curriculum na munonga nk'ebyo byabikozesa mukono ibyo kozesa mukono okwesa materials is available in our environment.
Abeegi borekera ko ebintu birukorwa ahari ntambiko no kubakubasa kubyekorra.
The art that we do day to day is contemporary art. You can do abstract, you can do realism, and then there you can see that the artist is doing abstract. However, close to realism. Altogether.
From our new curriculum, no course within the environment. So, for example, you can use papers to make paper mash. Like this goat is done out of paper mash, papers crushed and mixed with glue. Then, out of that glue, they came up with a goat.
Mary Karoro Okrut arikugambaho n'abeegi hamwe n'abashomesa ba Chizoba Girls abashabire okuba bekambi omu kushoma okusyoku kandi yashaba amashomero okukoresa omugisha gwa ntambiko Craft Center okushomesa curriculum ensya.
Nshemerwa munonga tukutunga abaana b'ishomero bizire kurambura abo kuba ntumanya ngu ebikukorwa aha nifitingaji omu new curriculum. New curriculum eriyaha musingire kweta practical skills okukozesa ebyomukono abo kuba okwega theory kyonka tikikumara.
We have paintings, we have other art pieces made from the things within our environment. We have really learned and exploited.
Wahika hari ntambiko Craft Center hariho bingi binogwirwe kandi hariho n'entebeekanisa ez'okutandika kukora ebyendiiso ningashi pads omu mwanya ogu.
Sima community tubanyabushenyi bonka ebintu nibirwa muri ankore yona abantu nibareetaha ebintu bingi munonga bya crafts mbwenu abo kuba umuranga bugenzi.
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abduratif.
Reka tumireho tukinaganda makuru gumaha TV West.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room na 17 ari Mbaguta Street muri Mbarara City ukumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanje mukaga hata n'itano chenda na mwenda ananina tina events nito tuango muri burengero bw'izuba abino buhereza bw'umurembe
na hato tukikiriza ngurika shemerire kutandika kwega hato inzira ngo abaze yamero ruju ahari Aliana Junior School twehire kutebekanisa no kwegeso mwana wawe tukamushomesa kandi tukamugunjura kurungi twine nasare na primary okwehandisha bwo mwaka gwa 2025 kuri yonu kujanda misho ahambuga nkuru zishomero rwebihurose korano rya town council Mbarara City abashomesa bitu nemiria abana nibareberwa kurungi kandi byo kwerinda bimemize shonda zona nangu nebisere byishomero nibasibwa buri yomwe okwenda kumanya birukiraho 0 mukaga mushanju 9 na mwenda 20 mushanju 9 na mushanju na 0 mushanju ina mukaga 9 ni 3 mushanju na 8 9 nemwe.
Aliana Junior School, a great start.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Musei kwa badomu rwari katoli kundongozi na
nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chauda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini katindi katyebule mutolo okolola okotyonguka kwata kano
Musei kano bakayita batya
Pineapple Chauda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi
kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi
ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi butamira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu
nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka erikyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekika cy'ahiguru kandi by'emizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe n'umwanya rugogoma gwo kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
mukamanze nalyachi
era ddala kituufu inache walya nguza ebizigo kumpi container namba biganye
sagala kufaanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula
olususu lutwawudde
kaibanda omusajja ngobya olususu lunnemeseza amaka
gula ebizigo wiisiige
ebizigo byonna biganye
olususu lukulemesa amaka kikino gulo handi and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyoota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder efune mu maduuka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
Kurkayo mkahumuro umureberezi wa Western Kwale Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twinomjuni araboyire abebembezi mu district ya Shemo kurekeraho korabsha baheza kwebwa obwebembezi aba bashabire kutamani omukusiga ezina ronji baba batachira magara genseje.
Obutumwa bw'umureberezi Johnson Twinomjuni bushomerwa omujwekire Reverend Joseph Mwejune aha mukoro gwo kurundana sente zo kumarira ekyombeko kya Kayinishatu ahari Nyakashambya Primary School omurushema municipality.
Sigireho nkekikururo hano hekiwakirota ekiwatsigaho bagire ngo murembe gwabananka nuko gwatusigire eki nuko gwatwombekire eki nuko gwatuterire hweki.
Omujenyi mukuru Dickson Colin Katesumbwa akwatanise n'abacoordinator be bahireyo omuganda gwa miliyoni 10 okwombeka ekyombeko eki.
Obwawire kabandi China na Thailand omwana nataho mu isomero arigama ine skill kunareba omwana hariyo mu cyaro kusoborera soil, how you retain the soil, tukambuza atekinjiza kuyamba ki wahiko mu rutoki ejo niyo none gitwenda hate kigengerwa kite kimwene cyo gukora holistic education kimwaje ebyo nco mwareba abandi bakumanya umusansi n'ibyamana batworeka kuba kubasa gukora amashanyarazi kuyihumiza
nkomwebembeze ni insima na munonga obizi na ogizi abe imukiremu kwenda ngwishomero ryabo rutunguke.
Kateshumba hona aragwira abebembezi okutamani omukwera amashomero agari omu mbeera mbi omu byanga byabo.
Ishomero church founded yatangirwe kanisa okaza kushanga ugashange kanisa nejengeta konka ishomero ryo ndihirimo icyo tujye kwisa amahanga kitinze ubutamanya uburu n'indwara amashomero ugashemerera ukwebwa sente abo batokwisha kuzihange n'ubuto bakwantugira tutayina.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya Nyakashambya Primary School asimira abazire n'abashomireyo ahabwo muganda.
Mwebale sente zo mwatungana inje bunonga kandi mbaragarisa nauka hikicha kandi sente zarunganwa zikamuzakoze sugaji
miliyoni 86 zirundinwe.
Omuganda makuru yamenyetera kurengo muri Ghana kurwo muri rwanya mahembe ho muri Mbarara City yahebwa intandukwa y'ebintu ebirukoresebwa ho mu buhinje no burisa abahebwa ebikwatwe ebi nabo abashomere certificate na diploma mu buhinje no burisa.
Abahebwa ebikwato nabo abine kibakumanya abikwate no kinga no kurisa bakashoma aba bashabwa okonja korana man ekike batasye emitwaro nshanju urukwezi.
Kwanza ni nsima Ibo Mixed Farm ahabo kushomesa abantu aba kandi abarigire omu districts zona districts mwenda enyingi omurango gwanje gunkubatera no kurango baguma bari abesigwa integrity matters a lot.
Abeminye toto abahereza ebintu bashomere batunga certificate kubiteza ko aritinga drug shop aha Ibo Mixed Farm bakushomeswa Ministry of Agriculture hamwe bakore byezo ebya Makerere University. Bene bwanyuma babaha certificate kandi twagaruka babahereza seed capital nashi booster package yo kongera mu duka zabo ko buduka bwabo bembura nk'eminyeto mukati twabateramo embaze kuba kumaraho miliyoni 3 kugira ngo bongeremo at least ntwenda omunyeto buri kwezi abena atasa shirinje mitwaro nshanju ebyo bitwabaha wareba amagoba gukora nibambikora emitwaro 9 buri wabiguza byaho so kimasa kuwa kubiguze n'urundi 3 mu mwaka mu kwezi no ukozere miliyoni 2 n'emitwaro nshanju
miliyoni 3 ubu nabashuba bari mu rukuzo bahereza no mukibonye. Then ripo ya rwoko tukujimanya ripo was formed tukumana yarjere na ngoteri na government ekino kitongore nacyo terebere ngo abantu bari no babona abantu bemutuma mirungi bajangwa reka turunde sente.
What you've learned here is not a certificate you're going home with. Yes? I want us to be very important and useful in society.
emyeto ebakwatiraho yarwo mu bice bitari kushana omu burengero izuba bamazirakire bari kutendekwa ari Ibo Farm omu Rwanyamahembe district Nimbarara
ireyo kusapotinga emyeto emitwaro 5 omu South Western Uganda kureba kuba kayiha omboro okutambura kigere cyaki ekyamatima
omuganda abeji abarukushoma obunansi n'obuzarisa kuruga omu universities zitari zimwe na zimwe okwetorora ihanga Uganda nabashaba government okonja kubateekateekaho cyeka amubaro gw'emirimo eibakutunga na munonga hari abo abashomera rengo rwa degree master PhD ombunansi n'obuzarisa.
At a situation whereby we export more of the nurses and they are working abroad, they are looking for a living abroad, and yet they would love to come back and work in the country, but because of the systems, because of the wages and all that, and it's not really favoring.
Even people don't know that we have bachelor nurses, we have so there is a lot of information that we need to pass on to the community, and we as the student leaders, for example, are organizing this.
Last time ministry approved the structure for health workers, and we really intwetenga kugira ngo structure ejo ebe implemented omarwaro gona kutandikira health center kutandikira center ya kashatu mpaka aha national level.
Ibabigambira omu kiganiro ekimazire ebiro bibiri ayitendekero ya Bishop Stewart aho murembo rwambarara.
At the end of it all kukweza kushoma no bano nenda kutunga murumo so titeka munoza gutunga n'umuntu washomere nawe ubundi wabwiye no mukwizi nkaha hati turi aha BSU campus ya announcing ushanga umuntu yagira tatu mwana wanye nkamunywanira so njyangu nk'ekintu nk'ekikaro nkiba almost na burundi ebiro mu mwaka.
Ekiganiro eki kitebekanisibwe aba Inter University Nurses and Midwives Students Association.
Ahindi ugambira universities ziri kurenga 12 zayikire Bishop Stewart University twaba nito twa hosting konka abana kuba kumara omukaya noko nibetebe kanisa nibakora research.
Omuganda makuru obudinginya bwa Bwamba Lieutenant Colonel retired Martin Ayongi Kamya ajumirire mze y'obutegetsi ebirukubaganisamo abantu omucanga echa Renzori omudinginya nagira ngo hemizenke ejo nezingamye ntunguka ombantu n'ihanga lyona okutwariza hamwe.
Enjovu ya Bwamba okugamba ebi abire natongoza okwombeka ofisi y'obudinginya omu town ya Bundubujo.
The highest level of politics is the barrel of the gun. Mwalinu ni anu gwali nai. Mama fina na olina PK, olina SMG, olina wiki. Honorable Acrobat, which one do you have? So, Guto, it is a testing situation.
Omudinginya nagira ngo ebigambo ebirukuretaho bwangano mu bantu abariyo nibetebekanisa kwesimba n'ebyakabi ahantunguka n'emiturire y'abantu.
Good entrepreneurs of divisions. People get excited because people are divided. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Ekyombeko ekiriyo nkiza kwombekwa nkiza kuba kirimu office y'omudingiya ba minister be n'ezindi office kandi kiza kumaraho billion $300.
To call all the subjects, as you can see and hear, they are collecting money, and I am sure by end of this year we shall be halfway or almost 3/4 of that money will be raised.
Government has made a lot of pledges here, and the good president I know, he will never fail to promise a pledge he has made.
Gashakwa Jonan Singh.
Very Jonan Singwire reka tumire ntugarukana amakuru akebye mzana.
Uganda Christian University, Bishop Balaam University College, Kabale, nibakweta okuleta okushaba kwawe. Ahabwa amashomo g'enshuro yo kwa katano omwaka ogu. Amashomo ni gaga: Bachelors of Business Administration, Procurement and Logistics Management, Social Work and Social Administration, Public Administration, Arts in Journalism and Communication, Information and Technology, Theology and Divinity, Arts with Education, Science with Education, Bachelor of Education Secondary, Bachelor of Education Primary, Higher Education Certificate. Amashomaga garya harurengo rwa PhD, Masters, Degrees, Diploma na Certificate okuruga omu UBTEB. Beine byo kwera beji okukoraje nka Computer Lab na libraries za famu na studios. Website ni www.bbuc.ucu.ac.ug. Esimu ni noti mushanju munana mwenda 11 885 nshanju 5.
Lwa MTN olukiiko olufuzi n'abakozi ba MTN tuyozaayoza Ssaabasajja Kabaka wa Buganda Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II olw'okutuuka ku mazaalibwa ago ag'emyaka 7 egy'obuto.
Tusaba obulamu bwo bujjule essanyu oyongere otuzzaamu essuubi.
Tusaba omulembe gwo gwongere okuleeta obumu n'enkulaakulana mu Buganda ne Uganda yonna okutwaliza awamu.
Wangaala nnyo omwana wa Muteesa, wangaala ayi Ssaabasajja, wangaala maaso moja.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu skin, cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly. All day confidence.
November 23rd, we got an accident here with a bullet, an askar shoots an askar. So in that moment, I ran there to see what happened. I found a shoot guy. According to how we are trained by Prudential and the Red Cross, I helped that guy to block the space because blood was too much, he was bleeding too much. I would like to thank Prudential that guy recovered.
Prudential, let's live life together. Turi nawe.
Eshaha za bishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Makuru ag'ebyemizano y'empaka za Premier League ya Bungereza yazanwa rizoba timu ya Manchester City yaruga enyuma okugutura aba Crystal Palace na goli 5 ahari 2 omuzano gwazandwa Try Etihad. Goals za Man City zaterwa Kevin De Bruyne, Omar Mamosh, Mateo Kovacic, James McCarthy na Nico O'Reilly.
Crystal Palace take the lead inside 8 minutes at the Etihad, and they were sliced open there, Manchester City. He's got this corner here, which is dangerous and in. Well, I think Chris Richards got the final touch, and Edison was flapping at that. Well, you wonder how many more times we will see Kevin De Bruyne score for Manchester City. Should score. Shipping to De Bruyne. Unkai Gundogan missed his kick. Coming in to Omar Marmoush. What a performance that was from the Gunners. And then we've got that ball again. Whips that cross in. And Dean Henderson can see back. And here's De Bruyne. And it's Kovacic. It's 3-2 to Manchester City. And this is inspirational from Kevin De Bruyne, who teed that up quite brilliantly for Kovacic. De Bruyne taken here by McAtee, and he's around Henderson, and it's going to be 4. Well, straight away, some of the City players go to celebrate with their goalkeeper. It's a spectacular celebration from McAtee, but the pass from Edison was remarkable. It's not the first time we've seen him do it for Man.
Webari hukubu mrebe murunzi w'amakuru Agacencwire wanagakusiyo n'abantu babazi Charity na Lois Gava twenda kwendeza okurara kurunji agani gategereza nyinshi kari shayibirizo mwebazi utargaho
Nehinda